Louisiana lawmakers, I need you to pay attention for just a moment. I'd like to discuss with you guys how we can leverage Louisiana's largest natural resource for real economic development. I've got a question. When a state has gold, you mine. When you have oil, you drill. When you have fertile soil, you plant and reap. When your number one natural resource is its people, what do? You invest. Policymakers, it was said that this industry should stand on its own. Well, I agree. We should. We've done a great job at creating a support industry for Hollywood, but what we haven't done is grown the content piece of it. There's no reason we should sit back and wait for jobs to come from New York, LA, overseas. Let's focus on homegrown filmmaking. This legislation is the first step to a sustainable industry. Get behind your own people. It's the start to building the right foundation. Look beyond Hollywood and look at the bigger picture. What if I told you that we could become the content creation capital of the world? By 2018, the internet will carry 95% of the entertainment. The demand for new and more content will grow by 800%. Louisiana Fiber will be one of, if not the most substantial high-tech infrastructure in the U.S. Louisiana is primed, proven, and ready to be United States' top entertainment content creator. Take what makes sense and make history. Support Louisiana homegrown filmmaking. From all around the state, here are a few words from your biggest natural resource.
My name is Richie Adams, and I'm a Baton Rouge filmmaker returning home from New Mexico, the Best Director Award.
Hi, I'm Andrew Morgan Smith, and I'm a film composer based out of Lafayette, Louisiana.
My name is Will Sampson, and since the age of 12, I have wanted to be a film director.
I'm Gregory Kallenberg. And I'm Chris Lyon. And we're with the Louisiana Film Prize.
Hi, I'm Bill Joyce.
And I'm Brandon Oldenburg. We are here at our studio, Moonbot Studios in Shreveport, Louisiana.
My name is Amy Mitchell-Smith, and I'm a Baton Rouge-based independent producer.
Our local film community down here is going to become something very real and sustainable.
1,000 filmmakers and industry professionals have come to Northwest Louisiana to shoot short films.
Some of the best talents in the nation working here in Louisiana now.
We need to encourage more content creation in the state of Louisiana.
And expanding these for local filmmakers will be amazing.
Creating jobs and ensuring the growth of an indigenous filmmaking community.
We want to be able to keep the best and brightest
For generations to come.
Please, I can't urge you enough.
Support
Homegrown filmmakers.
Support homegrown filmmakers.
And we filmmakers will not disappoint you.
This legislation will help support your Louisiana homegrown filmmakers. We have the creative abilities, the knowledge, and the know-how to do what it takes. If we can't have our own people believe in us, what do we have? My name's Bobby Holbrook, and I'm with Holbrook Multimedia in Lafayette, Louisiana. Policymakers, support your own people, your Louisiana homegrown filmmakers.